I am Maria Janela Santiago Villamayor, presenting a proposal of our chosen network, which is Juniper. So before we start, I hope you are all safe at home. CLSU Campus Wi-Fi design using Juniper Network.
So, what is Juniper Network? Juniper Network provides high-performance networking and cybersecurity solutions to service providers, enterprise company, and public sector organizations. And then also, the Juniper Network engage in the design, development, and sale of product and services for high-performance and high-quality networks.
The brief history of CLSU. The CLSU or Central Luzon State Universities start as a farm school, the Central Luzon Agricultural School or class, through Executive Order Number 10 issued on April 12, 1907 by then Governor of the province of Nueva Ecija. CLSU is a farm school that the major of activities of class includes skills training and discipline community life for farming productivity and sound family living. The students learned the rudiments of better farming methods, agricultural machineries, and homemaking arts. The ultimate measure of the effectiveness of Central Luzon State University as an institute of higher learning, it is a contribution and impact of the educational, economical, social, cultural, political, and moral well-being, and environmental consciousness of the people it serves. The issues of CLSU currently facing, which the regards of the campus-wide wireless Wi-Fi access to be used is there are many ways that a lack of internet access can affect a student ac- academic performance. Students without internet can connect with teachers or classmates, do independent research, or get online homework help. CLSU not having internet access can mean missing out on information of losing out and direct line of communication with schools and teachers and students online. This is the problem or issue of the university that is not solved to be solved by Juniper Network provides high performance networking and security solutions to service.
Treatment of the problem. CLSU is currently facing with regards to campus-wide wireless access and the technology to be used. Students from CLSU are experiencing no internet connection without spending their money. Objective of study. The general objective, if, if this study is designed a network for CLSU campus-wide wireless area, provide fast internet connection to be faculty, staff, and students inside the CLSU. Give a unlimited free internet connection to the students. Review of Wi-Fi technology. This chapter primarily presents the different research and other literature from local researchers, which have significant bearing on the variable included in the research. It focuses on several aspects that will help in development of this study. Juniper versus Cisco network. Juniper Network has been gaining ground on Cisco in the enterprise networking space than Cisco. Juniper Network appeals to cost-conscious pros looking for high-quality gear that not only perform but also provide a clear and concise evaluation strategy than Cisco. The higher regard regularly outperforms Cisco in terms of speeds. Advantages of Juniper to Cisco: better product for small to mid-sized businesses, greater research focus, and justify higher price, simple design interface and OS that support open source and user-defined modules, facilities software-defined networking, cloud-based virtually networking. The number of users that accommodate of Juniper Network is support up to 1 to 10,000 users and devices.
Criteria for comparison. So Yvette, what is criteria for comparison?
In this table, we compare our proposed Wi-Fi to another network. Criteria for comparison. We have network, wireless, dual CPE cluster for high availability, system memory, CPU, system hardware space, system OS, and dimension. We compare we compared our network to MikroTik.
Design and implementation. So here you can see the map of CLSU where you can see where the nodes of internet is located. So next slide, please. Bill of materials. So of of how we can install the internet, the whole process of internet. So here's the total 458,123.
And also, in this table, we set a bill or amount of materials that we'll use in our network.
Method of evaluation. The higher education network is no longer just an institutional necessity. It needs to thoroughly empower, enhance, and inspire students. Colleges and universities must transform brittle, complicated like legacy network into agile security services platforms that are accessible to students, faculty, and staff at any time and from anywhere. With this modern network for higher education, you can diminish risk, cut total costs of ownership, and increase enrollment and funding, all while creating differentiation for your institution.
So last, conclusion and our future work. College that aspire to have high quality technology environment need to set standard and manage network from a true collegiate perspective, in the sense of choosing to maintain a set of technological options that are genuinely supportable with the financial and human capital available. And most service areas, people are the key factor in whether or not a college will be able to develop an exemplary network environment like this.